What is up, guys? How you doing? So it's been like 4 days since I posted a video. Well, I guess this will be the 5th, but I'm posting a video, but whatever. So this has been the longest I've gone without posting a video consecutively since I think I started the channel. So the past couple days I haven't been feeling too hot, so decided just to take it easy, take a few days off, and take some time to get some other things done. I've actually tuned a few cars in the past couple days, and it's been really fun. I've been really enjoying that lately. Tuning has been such a fun experience. I just want to get more and more involved with it, and I just want to do more and more, and hopefully I can find more cars to tune. And yeah, it's just been amazing. So I've been dying to drive my car with the bigger tires on because I upgraded to a 235 instead of 215, and it's just been raining the last 5 days. So today we could officially test it. So let's go have some fun. Look at this long bitch.
Hey.
What's up, Derek?
What's up?
You want to try out these bigger tires?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, right?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Wait, there's a lot of cops around today.
Is there?
A lot.
Oh, man.
But I don't care if you don't care.
All right.
What are you doing, Jimmy?
So I just looked, and my registration has been expired for a few days, and I went to go pay it, and I found out that a few of my cars have been expired. So I just had to cash out on the freaking DMV website. And
Which ones were expired? The red one was expired, and the black one was expired.
Good thing I don't drive it.
I was gonna say, when's the last time you drive?
I drove the red one like a couple days ago.
All right, so we're legal to do burnouts, right?
Yeah, I think that's how it works.
That's how it works.
And this is by far the most ideal weather I could ever imagine.
It is nice out.
But we're gonna take the car on the highway for the first time.
Wait, I didn't know that.
You didn't know we're going on the highway? We'll see. I mean, we got 6-speed now, so.
Man, how nice it is. You can see how nice it is via the camera.
So it's not bad on the highway, it just sounds like a diesel truck because the turbo is always on.
Yeah, it really does.
God damn. I can already tell that the new tires are way grippier, which is good news, but so we just upped the boost real quick, and we're just gonna see how they break up. Oh, my e-brake was up that whole time.
Rookie
shit. That's a third gear. Yeah.
Dude, this thing gets a lot more grip.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
Hell yeah, that's way more fun. That was sick. That was awesome, dude.
That was gnarly.
Third gear in the parking lot. I'm cool with that.
Yeah, Mexico.
Mexico. Third gear in Mexico. That felt nuts, dude.
Yeah, that was fun.
All right, so the car has so much more grip to the point I'm probably gonna have to start worrying about braking axles at this point. So whatever. We upped the boost and it feels amazing. Obviously, the in-car clips aren't the best, but we kind of had to go and dip so we couldn't let Derek film outside the car. So, but I just went to the UPS store and we got a package in that I think is hilarious, and I want to show you guys. The more and more I'm around the dyno, the more cars I see get tuned. Almost every single car that goes on the dyno, we end up changing the plugs at least once, if not twice. And every time it's always a race to go to the auto parts store, find these spark plugs around, and it's a pain in the ass. So I decided just to buy a bundle of them, and I bought a pack of 100. So if you guys ever wondered what 100 spark plugs look like, this is what they look like. Let's go show Derek. You guys didn't know, Derek moved in next door. Pretty dope. What's up, my guy?
Hey, how are you?
Yo, check this out. Grab the Fox.
Oh my god.
Yo, open that thing.
Oh, I know what this is. I know what this is.
Oh my How funny is that, dude? Rock Auto, baby. Damn.
That's cool.
How many do you think there is?
100.
Yeah. That's 100. I think I told you.
Nice round number. Let me ask you this.
Uh-huh.
Even 5 years ago, do you think you'd ever be this excited about the spark plugs?
No, that is so true. I'm literally so hyped over spark plugs right now. But how often do we have to change plugs on that?
I mean, it's like the most common thing in the world.
And who comes with plugs?
Zero amount of people. That's a notice for everybody watching this. Don't show up to the dyno with one set of plugs.
Rookie bitch.
Yeah, you rookie bitches, and expect your car to be put on kill mode. It's not gonna happen.
There we go. So, dude, we're selling 4 packs for 20 right here. Let's make some money, dude. Go build some race cars.
New side hustle. We don't even need to tune cars anymore. We could just sling plugs. We're the plug.
There we go. So we ever showed your car on camera before?
Maybe just passing.
There we go. So tell the kids about this.
This is a 66 Chevy 2. All steel, all glass,
All American.
all American with an LS in it, twin turbo, complete street car.
What I think is hilarious, you went from having like BMWs to this.
Well, I went from Hondas,
Oh boy.
yep, to BMWs, and then to these.
That's a crazy jump.
Well, it's just one of those things, the need for speed, right? It got real expensive doing it in Hondas, and then it got real expensive doing it in BMWs. And then I thought these would be cheaper, and then this is the most expensive one of them all.
You played yourself there,
I
doggy.
played myself.
I think it's badass though. So it doesn't make like that much power. I think it only makes like 1,300 or something like that. Derek, thing runs great. It's always ran great for the last year or so, but his suspension setup was just old. Retired it, did some crazy 4-link in the rear, and now it is time for street race season.
It is, street race season is upon us.
Dude, I can't wait. You're gonna let me drive it, right?
You can drive it all you want.
Dude, it's gonna be terrifying. This is a whole new world, doggy.
Yeah. This is fun.
Dude, this is sick.
You know what makes this fun? Is that the guys that do this, you could talk shit to them all night long, race them, take some money from them, lose some money to them, and then be friends with them the next day.
Okay, I'm into it.
It's a good time.
Come on, Tuck. We don't got time for them slow cars. No? You wanna go play with the Nova? No. Dang, what do we have here, Izzo?
Skyline GTR.
Young blood out here. Damn, Izzo just picked this thing up. Dude ordered it straight from Japan. He imported it himself.
Pretty clean, right?
You're a baller, dude.
Not bad.
Oh my god, it's so much cleaner than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, right? I mean, it's just a little dirty.
How's
you know?
customs?
Pain in the ass.
Oh my, what's your plate, dude? Come on.
Template. I don't know, must have flew out or something.
Oh my god, dude. She needs a detail, but
Oh, yeah.
she's been sitting on a boat.
Here?
Young is out here. He's gonna let me put a Haltech in it. I'm pumped.
Hell yeah.
Damn, dude.
I'm so hyped.
Oh, look at the door doesn't sag.
Why, they don't do?
Yeah, a lot of them do.
And the seats aren't in bad shape.
Dude, I'm
Like cigarette burns,
I'm
right?
so proud of you, Izzo.
Hell yeah.
Burning Drew up.
I love it.
Oh, the white's so hot. Yo, we got some music in here? How does this come out?
Check it out.
Oh.
Japanese T-fitting.
No way.
Hell
That's funny. I'll figure it out soon. Oh, we got 2 CDs.
Let's go.
What do we got? We got Great
it's cracked.
Vacation. Oh, man.
Fuck.
This one's Great Vacation number 2. This one's not cracked. This is Dance Hall. I don't want to break it. All right, what do we got here?
Sweet.
We got Dance Hall Lover. season. And we have Super Eurobeat. This is it. Dude, this is the CD.
Let's play it.
Let's play it. CD in. I'm so pumped for this.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you imagine the guy in Japan just like driving this GTR down the road, just like in his bag?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, here we go.
Here we go.
Alright, this sounds promising.
It's like some Dracula shit.
I don't know if talk about that.
Hey DJ, where's the bass?
Oh no. This is amazing. Let's turn it all the way up. That's the greatest thing I've ever found in my life. Straight out the 90s. Okay. It's definitely not B26.
A little crusty, but that's not shit.
Yeah, right? I mean, this side you can see some, you know, elbow grease.
A little dirty.
Oh, that's not good. Got you.
Little hole there.
It actually made it. It's actually here. I didn't think it'd ever show
I
up.
thought it was complete bullshit.
I thought it was a scam.
Yeah, 100%.
Dude, it's not bad.
No?
And we found the most 90s CD you'll ever find.
Please tell me it's Ace of Base.
This is something else. We got the GTR out here. And Derek's rig. What do you think?
It's Toretto versus O'Connor.
Oh shit, okay.
What up, Jeff?
Look at you in your street car.
It's just a streeter, dude. I'm gonna take the kids out for a spin in a little bit.
Damn, dude, this is so cool to see outside.
Yeah, right? The ride height came out mint.
I'm impressed. Yo, let's just take this out and put it in the Z.
I've offered it before. I'm pretty pumped right now, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Dude, I'm so proud of you. This is so sick.
Thank you.
Gunning season, boy.
It's gunning season.
Trans brake. He'll do it. Come on. He's got to do it. On the trans brake! Some ricer things.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
Alright guys, so we just did a quick road tune on Tyler's 250Z. We actually tuned his turbo Miata, his MB if you guys remember, but just went through, did some things, some up the throttle response was gonna help him a lot with drifting and made it backfire a little bit and all the fun 350Z stuff. But I've been dying all day, actually I've been dying all week to play with the anti-lag on my ECU. So you guys know I have the Link Fury G4 Plus ECU, and Link is known to have a bad-ass anti-lag system, and I've been dying to play with it, and tonight is the night. It's not raining, boys are here, it's nice out, so I'm aiming for some flames. Yeah, let's get her done, brother. Let's do it. Hopefully I don't blow my turbo into pieces. We're not leaving until we get flames. Nope.
I like that. I like it a lot. I like it a lot.
Check these bad boys out.
Looking mighty saucy.
Very nice driving shoe. What are those? Alright, we got a lot of figuring out to do, but let's see what we got at first. Ready?
Oh my god, not a bad start.
Just a little, just smoke, right, on that one?
Yeah, it was a big boom as of smoke. Oh my god.
You got a flame?
Yeah. That was a huge flame and
Really?
a very loud explosion. I felt that in my chest.
Let's do it again.
Nothing there, nothing there. What's going on with it?
She's a little tricky. We'll figure her out. Yeah, she's a little tricky.
You got this though.
We'll get it.
Nothing but a thing. Oh my god.
I saw that.
Like 5 foot.
I saw that from here.
God, that's crazy.
That's amazing. Well, one more time.
That's crazy. Dude, you have to see this.
That's amazing. Holy shit! Man, that's so obnoxious. I love it.
Want to do one more time?
Yeah, I want to try and make it bigger.
Oh my god.
Rowdy.
One more time for the one time.
One time for the one time?
One time for the one time. That was a fucking big one, dude. Holy shit.
Well, now that my turbo is completely destroyed.
Yeah, let's check to see if there's any oil spills. Dude, that was awesome.
That was so much fun.
Ultimate racer now. Any oil?
Hell
Good?
yeah. we should have did some wastegate footage because it wow, it really, dude. Oh my god. Jeez. We should put the camera on the wastegate, dude.
No, because then we destroy the camera.
Oh man. I'm sorry. It's so warm. Dude, get an egg. Let's try and cook it. All right, S13. Sorry to do it to you, but it was fun. Alright guys, so today I actually had a pretty big surprise planned, and I was really excited to come back with like this cool big surprise, but things didn't work out, and the surprise is now happening on Saturday. Hopefully, if everything goes as planned. So, but we still ended up having a pretty fun day. I'm pretty stoked. As you guys know, our shop buddy Izzo just got a GTR, which is sick. We'll be putting that on Haltech and tuning that soon. And honestly, I'm excited to see a white R32 GTR hanging around the shop. It's a badass car. So besides that, we had some fun testing out the S13, even though the footage was kind of crappy, and finally got to be a little racer and make my JZ spit some flames, and felt good. But with that, I hope you guys still like today's video, and we'll be continuing on once again tomorrow. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you tomorrow.